Hey everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Brit. Today I have a haul for you guys. I am planning to do a miniature of Sakura Kinemoto's house from Cardcaptor Sakura. So I bought a bunch of supplies. A lot of them may or may not work, but they were pretty cheap. I think I spent $60 on everything through AliExpress. I'm really excited to start this project and see where it goes. I know I'm going to need a lot of other supplies as I go, but here's the start. It's going to be like a summer project for me. If you want to see me making it, I'm going to be making it over on my Twitch. I don't know when I'm going to start, but I'll make a announcement for all of you guys that want to. Just let me know down in the comment section if that's something you want to see, but let's get into this and see what I got. So the first thing that we got, of course, is the base house or bedroom. I found this one on AliExpress, and I know it's not her bedroom, but I'm planning on taking this this wall right here. We're gonna put it on this side, and I'm also going to cut it where the window is to give it that little like that slant that her bedroom has, because she has a skylight in her room. And we're gonna go from there. Hopefully this is big enough. If not, I'll look for another one. This one was only like $8 or $9. It wasn't expensive at all, and I'm not too worried about it. It also comes with some LED lights, which I probably won't use, but we'll see where we go from there. The next thing I got was some furniture. I believe this is the desk piece that I got. If I can't use the desk that came in here, I decided to get this one. This looks just like the desk that she has in her bedroom. It may be a little too big. That's why I said I might have to get a different style house to put it in. But it even has like the little keyboard thing, which I thought was really cute. So hopefully we can use this in some way or another. So this next package I gotta open because you can see my address. So this I got as a desk lamp to go on her desk, and the picture was way smaller than this, and it was only like 50 cents. So now I got this huge freaking light. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. We'll see. And then I don't even remember ordering this, but it's a chair and it is way too small. Look how tiny it is. It's like a little desk chair. So friggin' small. I don't remember ordering that. Okay, we got another package here. And I think it's another piece of furniture. This one is... this is the desk chair that I actually ordered. I'm going to modify this a little bit to make it look more like hers. But it's got like the crushed velvet feel to it. And this one's, you know, even too small for... Oh no, it's just about right. So, and I think her chair's green, so I'm going to have to color it green. It's not going to be perfectly her room, but it's going to look as best as I can make it. I got another package here, and it is a little nightstand for her room. I do not remember ordering like half of this stuff, but it actually does open. This is another wooden object. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna modify this. She has like this little TV stand that's like 3 drawers like this. And I got this huge thing to modify and figure out how to make it fit and make it work. And then the last package that I got, it was gonna be like a standee for in the house. It said it was much smaller, but it's huge. I'm going to give this to my best friend because she collects Sakura Kinemoto stuff, and this is like the best outfit that Sakura wears, so I think she'll like that. I got a lot to do. I have a lot of things that I need to order. I thought I got a little TV and VCR and all kinds of stuff, but I guess it just hasn't arrived yet. I'll have to keep my eye out for it. If you guys have any ideas of other things that I can do for like the different pieces in the miniature, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to check those out. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.